start? Yeah, Shahid, now today being a premiere or tomorrow's film is releasing, what is the expectation with the film?
Well, it's a film of a very dear friend of mine, so it means a lot to me, not only as a professional film, but as somebody who's a friend. I wish him all the best, and I haven't seen the film yet. I'm just going to see it right now, hoping for the best.
What is the
Film, the tagline of the film is 14 people, no brains, everybody running after one diamond. So that's where the word fool comes from. Everybody's looking at settling their score, everybody's looking at getting out, taking the diamond and getting out. So that's how the title Fool and Fine.
Shahid Khan, like being your friend, like the last film did not really
Sure.
how is he really done the whole thing? Like?
I've known Ahmed since I was a model. I remember he did my first music video without taking any money. And then he did my first film. He was very busy at that time. His film Rangila had released. He was doing really well. I was a newcomer. And my first film was being made, and he was there for me as a choreographer. So, you know, you don't all the time judge people by success or failure, because every Friday success happens and failure happens. You have to judge people on the basis of their ability, and I'm very confident of it.
शायद इस फिल्म में सबसे फनिंगली फूल कौन है?
हाँ, वो तो आपको फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी।
और ऐसी कोई हर
And lots of characters really whom would you like to, like, you know, who's really you'd like to see also, like, you know.
Well, I think everybody's got a very good role in the film. Paresh Bhai is fantastic, Johnny Bhai is fantastic. It was fun working with Sunny Sir for the first time. I didn't have much work with Vivek, but he's also very good in the film. So everybody's got an interesting role, and I'm sure everybody's work will be good.
Any police thing what you have done in life, would you like to do?
You actually think I'm going to tell everybody live on camera what I did?
तो सेट पे कोई ऐसी किसी ने हरकत की हो, बहुत ही पुलिस हरकत को जो आप हमें बताना चाहेंगे?
Well, there was so many pranks being played in front of the camera that I think there was very little time of stuff happening behind the camera. Alright, are we done? I'm just wearing a shirt, a ganji and jeans here. I'm not very fashion conscious, I just wear whatever I see in my cupboard, I just take it out and wear it. Alright, thanks so much.